Hi. Your favorite color says a lot about you, according to proponents of color psychology. Your favorite color or colors reflects not only your personality color, but how you deal with life. It is important to note that there are no superior colors. Your favorite color might not be the color you wear the most. It usually is the color that makes you feel the most alive and excited. What does your personality color say about you? Color Black personality. You are a conservative and somewhat mysterious soul that hides your vulnerabilities under an impenetrable barrier. However, deep inside, you feel vulnerable and find it challenging to share your weaknesses with others. Your personality color says you have a deep need for control, including controlling what others know about you. This is why you are a discreet and independent person. You like to keep your distance so that you feel your vulnerabilities are in a safe spot. Worry not, no one is perfect. Color Pink personality. You are a kind and loving person who goes above and beyond to help others. People know you always have a shoulder they can cry on. With such a generous heart, you need to make sure you don't put other people's needs before yours. Your deepest need is to be loved, but that shouldn't come at the cost of being used by bad-intentioned people. You are naturally charming and caring, or in other words, you have a lovely soul. However, be careful not to see the world through pink glasses, as you tend to have unrealistic ideas. In Western cultures, the color pink is associated with the feminine. Color Purple personality. You have a deep need for emotional security in order to achieve perfection in life. You are a creative and intuitive person who is always willing to help those in need, a natural humanitarian. Your creativity and imagination make you an introvert yet charismatic folk with an intuitive soul. You have a strong connection with spiritual matters or the occult. Try to balance your emotions out with meditation. It is an excellent practice to give you inner stability and peace. Color White personality. Your need for mental clarity guides your actions and way of seeing life. You are naturally positive and optimistic. Often, you only see the glass half full. People enjoy being around your bright aura and find you sincere, transparent. However, white is the color of new beginnings, so the preference for this color might indicate you are seeking your own path. Your deepest need is inner peace, but to achieve that, you need order in your everyday life. Cluttered workspaces are not for you. Color Brown personality. You are a great friend, and you value a stable and simple life over material things. You are genuine and transparent with your intentions. Although dependable, you have high standards for excellence, and you are not afraid to work hard to achieve your goals. For you, family comes first, and stability is crucial too, which is why you enjoy being home. Color Orange personality. You are full of life, and as an optimistic person, your enthusiasm is contagious. Not only are you comfortable with changes in your life, but you are also a social and open-minded person who is always up for an adventure. You are a loud talker and have an exhibitionist side. You have a deep need to be around people. However, if you let your flaws overpower your qualities, you might become superficial. Color Green personality. From all the colors of the spectrum, green, a secondary color, is the peacemaker, the diplomatic, and that reflects who you are. You are a lively and down-to-earth person who strives for harmony. You are a forward thinker and loyal friend who needs to belong. However, as someone who seeks acknowledgement for the everyday things you do for others, you might become anxious while striving for acceptance. Try not to be the problem solver all the time. Give yourself a break. As someone who likes the green color, you enjoy accumulating possessions. Be careful not to become materialistic, though. Color yellow personality. Your happy attitude and uplifting spirit draw people to you. You are an optimistic and creative person who is always open to new ideas. Still, you have an exceptional level of analytical thinking, and there is no room for unrealistic ideas in your life. You are a dynamic and strong communicator, but such an active mind also leads to a calculated and methodical personality. As a yellow lover, you have a deep need for logical order in your everyday life. You tend to hide your emotions and often prefer to use your mind rather than your physical energy. You're smart, and you know it. Color red personality. We usually say colors are powerful, but red is a power color on its own. Red is a bold color choice that indicates a strong personality, an individual with strong emotions. You are a passionate and energetic person who is not afraid of taking risks. It's an intense color for intense people. You are action-oriented and have not only a deep need for physical fulfillment but also to experience life through the five senses. You are an ambitious and strong leader with little patience. You tend to act impulsively as your personality type calls for action, not thinking. Color blue personality. As someone with a blue character, you're reliable and make a consistent effort to think of others. You are an honest person that values friendship and strives for emotional balance not only in your personal relationships, but also in your life. Friends see you as a trustworthy and friendly folk who they can count on. Blue is a primary color that is the most favorite hue among all the others of the spectrum. You often have an optimistic outlook in life, but you may be susceptible to depressive moods. Unlike orange, which needs constant change, you are conservative and enjoy being consistent. Changes aren't easy for you. As an honest soul, your deepest need is to be true to yourself. So what is your favorite color? Tell me in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share the video with your loved ones. I suggest you watch this video, you will like it.